Well, back to this game. It's NU with a 2-set advantage over DLSU, 2-1. And in this third set, NU, we thought that LaSalle was going to take this one. NU just held on, and we were wondering what reply NU will give. Down by 2 in the latter portion of this set, and the reply, Coach Vicente wanted, I think yun ang talagang nakuha nila, and NU taking this set once again and proving that in the second round, parang ibang NU na, diba? A little bit more matured NU, and again, hindi madadali yung pinagdaanan nila in the second and the third round, in the third set, because mas mahirap ang atong third set. They were down by 2, but they still got it via that smart plays coming from NU.
They were down 2 with LaSalle 2 points away from knocking off the set, so that was even more impressive. They ring up the 3 straight points and then eventually win it, and they outblock LaSalle once again.
Yun pa eh. Yung blocking, di ba? It ended with a block by Kai Nepomuceno. And look at the LSU having 2 less attacks in this set, and you having 12 and the Lady Spikers with 10. Pero again, eto na naman yung block. And you having 40 and SU with only 1.
Remember, LaSalle swept NU in the first round today. They are in the lead 2 sets to 1. We have no doubt that LaSalle can come back.
Oh, definitely.
That goes without saying. This is a question now, Rosie, for National U. Do they believe that they can beat LaSalle? And second to that, this fourth set is a more important set than anything else, because pag pinabot nila ng 5 to,
eto na naman,
delikado.
So,
if they want to win, they have to do it here in the fourth set, so that they can have a little belief that they're in that circle, that they can beat the elite teams.
And plus, you don't want to give any kind of opportunity to the LaSalle, diba?
Yes, that's right, definitely. Okay, mga nanonood sa atin sa Lipa City, Batangas, Mosey, fiesta pala nila doon. Happy fiesta to all the residents from Brother Bernie Oka, FSC, from LaSalle, of course. Fiesta rin, alam ko, kahapon. Si Brother Bernie. Kahapon, fiesta rin sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, yung mga nanonood sa atin doon sa Laguna. And of course, in Cebu, yung mga nanonood doon sa atin.
Mga nag-birthday, lahat.
Lahat na, dami nagpa-fiesta, dami birthday.
Lahat, dami. Fiesta, no? Because ang bilis naman. Pa-summer na. Valentine's naman.
Ang date ko dyan, special. Oo. Si PJ Manoto ang kasama ko.
Why not? Ang sarap naman yung date place nyo eh.
Isa dito, LaSalle. 2-1 in the fourth set, courtesy of bench 2.
I expect LaSalle to really go all out in this set, because they really need this one, and they have come out from graver situations. Yung LaSalle nga has been known for that. Again, we mentioned in our pregame yung composure, yung steadiness, it's all there. Yes.
Dump ball by Nepomuceno, read by LaSalle. Oh, that one they were not able to read, as Galam went off speed down the line. Let's check in with Selena Dagdag. Selena.
Earlier in the huddle, Coach Cantu was particularly keen as regards to what he wants to see from his Lady Bulldogs coming into this set. Ang diin niya pa sa players niya kanina, pagpasok niyo sa court, dapat para kayong sundalo. Huwag kayong mag-iinarte at maglaro kayo ng maayos. At this point, he wants the ladies to hit the ball swift and hard, and he wants them to make the ball land on the side. That's all for now, Boom and Mosey.
Huwag daw mag-inarte.
Sabihin ko saan. Ano ba yung inarte na yun?
Oo, paki-qualify nga yan. Sa next report mo, Selena, ano yung pag-iinarte na wala silang karapatan, lasalang kalaban, kailangan buwang loob. Yun, kailangan, they don't think na mayroon silang advantage, no, Mosey. You cannot think, lamang tayo isa, may cushion tayo. Hindi pwedeng gano'n.
Tsaka wala nang extra flair siguro dun sa mga attacks nila.
Yes, you have to think that this is the last set for you,
Yep.
if you're NU.
Oh, dapat talaga
Right?
ganyan ang thinking. Alam mo na na LaSalle will really get to your nerve.
And as expected, LaSalle bouncing back here with a 5-2 lead. Santiago wasting that opportunity. Pati natin si Anne Remulla, no, namimiss
and
na namin.
Ivy also.
Ivy and Anne. Namimiss namin na yung mga kasama natin dito sa...
Miss na namin kayo.
Kaya namimiss ko na yung mga pagkain na dala niya. Actually, yung pagkain lang, Loko lang, Ann. Namimiss namin sila, part of our volleyball family here. Judy Sarrell has this report from the LaSalle side.
Boom, napakhamot na lang si Coach Lamil pagkatapos ng third set. At halatang-halata sa kanyang galit dahil sa nangyayari sa Lady Spikers. Sabi nga ni Coach kanina, pinapabayaan nyo lang ang kalaban nyo na gumawa ng gumawa habang kayo ayaw kumilos. Pero buong puno ng paalala si Coach Ramil kanina at patuloy na minomotivate lang ang Lady Spikers na kunin ang set na ito. Boom.
Maraming salamat. Judy Sarrell reporting for LaSalle while in the lead, 4 points. LaSalle scrambling but controlling still here. Let's see what NU will do.
Chance for NU. Oh,
What a waste.
sayang.
Dahil walang nag-block. Galang. It's out. Is it a check ball?
Oh,
It is.
It is.
A touch on the net apparently by number 7. Sino ba number 7? Si Perez. He touched the net. Ay, salamat sa ating mga manonood dito. Sabi si Abante raw, yung isang setter na
Yes, okay. Thank you. Memory ko.
Mga basketball players, batiin din natin si Jeric Fortuna sa tuned in. Galing naman daw ng mga galing UST High School. Sabi niya, syempre.
Siyempre.
Show some love.
Siyempre naman. Ang mga taga-UST na, Jerry.
Murtas, able to finally stop the bleeding. 3 serving 7. Again, we really like to thank everybody being very interactive and just watching us and even the passive watchers who don't say anything but are watching us. Maybe watching volleyball for the very first time. We welcome you to the coverage of ABS-CBN Sports.
Oh, galang.
Oh, hindi nahabol.
Oh, sayang naman yun. Ito si Bounce.
So, LaSalle here showing, as usual, some character leading 8-3.